Alright guys, welcome back. Today's teardown day, so we're gonna be tearing down the Christmas display. Don't know if I'll post this video or not, but happy 2026 everyone, Merry Christmas. Yeah, so this is the teardown day, so I'm going to open the back garage door, and then we'll bring some stuff to the back. And yeah, so alright, so over at the back garage, and here's the bloodbath set. Big plans for this. But yeah, there goes that. Alright, and we're gonna start bringing. Alright, sorry if my voice is like tired. I'm very tired. Today's the last day of break. So as you can expect, last night was pretty busy and fun, but we're gonna start bringing more stuff up. My dad just brought the presents up, the small presents. I'm probably gonna bring the tiny deer up, or back I should say, then the mailbox, and yeah. Alright, here we go to the back with the first reindeer out of 3. Fitting shirt for today. And yeah, let's get him back here. Then we'll take the mailbox. And I would carry this guy, but he has snow all over him and he's so cold. And so I don't really want to carry him too long, but you know, that's what he's looking like, and yeah, pretty cool. This is a very long walk to the back. Yeah, we have to walk through like the entire sidewalk basically, backwards, so yeah. But I'm just excited to have everything away and have it all in one spot and all safe till next season. Ooh, here we go. Oh, this is really thick snow, so this is the part I gotta be careful with. Leatherface just scared me. Thought he was a real person for a second. And yeah, I'm gonna bring him back to the room. Alright, just got mailbox and this other deer back here. And yeah. Alright, here we go, guys. So we got Santa out here. There you go, at him, and the deer is coming over. And so, yeah, we're gonna bring all these guys to the back, and yeah. Alright, there's the board, tarps coming off, and it's the board that they've been on, and now we're gonna take these 2 back. That's it for today. Alright, so we just got everything back here. Presents right there. Yeah, here's Halloween stuff. There's nothing that matter about there, but we got the bench back here. The bench was definitely the hardest because we had to maneuver it correctly. This guy I could just carry back, but I decided to bring him on the thing. Here's the bench again, and there's a candy cane on him. Here's another reindeer, Santa, mailbox, the sign, and the big Rudolph. And so yeah, that is it for 2025 Christmas. Well, it's now 2026. So yeah, again, yeah, we're not cleaning up everything, but you guys aren't missing much. It's just the wreath, the candy canes, and the hoops. And the hoops are just like what we did at Halloween. Those are the exact hoops we used on Halloween. And yeah, so appreciate you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.